We are back with another HE keyboard review, and honestly, this is in my top 3. If you've seen one of my more recent videos covering TMR, you'll know that Echo/Monsgeek is one of the main companies that is focusing on TMR. But surprisingly, they are actually still making HE keyboards. Let me introduce to you the Echo Mod 007 V5HE. Very long name, but let me break it down, it's very simple. First of all, Echo Mod has been around forever. Ever since I started making YouTube videos, I've tried the first generation, the second generation, and we are currently on the 5th generation. Now let's start with the unboxing and see what's included. We have our user guide, and for accessories, we have the standard switch puller, keycap puller, and USB-C cable. Now onto the board itself, I'm gonna start with the price because I feel like this is the most important thing about today's board. The price is $286. Not ideal. I was definitely hoping for it to be a little lower. The $200 price range would have been really nice for this, but let's see whether you guys will think it's worth it or not. The one I have is the purple obsidian colorway, and it's really beautiful. A really nice shade of anodized purple, the matching keycap set with the white accent keycaps. The whole thing comes together really nicely. We also have this side accent piece on the top. It's not just a regular PVD finish. At certain angles when you look at it, it has a holographic/shiny effect to it. Similarly, on the bottom, we have a weight with the same color and effect going. It's a lot more obvious on the weight because it's a lot bigger, and that sort of chroma effect that I'm talking about comes off really nicely to pair off with the purple. These accent pieces that we're used to, we don't usually see them on gamer keyboards. It's definitely more of a custom keyboard aesthetic, which I really like. Please. Okay. Now onto sound, let's take it apart and see what we have internally. For this assembly, you already know it, ball catch system. It's one of the goats of custom keyboards. No tools, no screws, just push and pull on the top cover, it's done. One thing to take note, definitely do be careful of the wires. The keycaps we have are cherry profile double shot PBT switches, Astrolink magnetic switches. We have a polycarbonate plate with a silicone gasket mount, and we have all the foam, plate, PE, PCB, and case. So even though it is a polycarbonate plate, we don't get that much flex because it's fully foamed up, which is ideal because when it comes to Hall effect, it's all about precision and you don't really want your actuation to move up or down just because you have a little bit more flex. On top of that, the PCB foam is actually stuck onto the PCB, so it's not really ideal to disassemble the whole thing. Now with this whole setup, it's definitely one of the best sounding HE keyboards that I've tried. It's definitely on par with the Sonic 65. And to prove my point, hopefully, I'm gonna test you guys. I'm gonna have 3 different typing tests completely blind so you won't be able to see which keyboard it is. Hopefully you can try to differentiate between a HE keyboard, a TMR keyboard, and a custom keyboard. These 3 different typing tests, good luck. I don't know if you got it right, maybe I'm just over-exaggerating. If you did get it right, comment it down below. But personally, I still think it is a really good sounding Hall effect keyboard. So I'll have a full proper typing test at the end of the video. For now, I want to move on to function and start off with our external features that I have yet to cover. We have a programmable screen and a volume scroll wheel. Both of these can be customized on their Echo Cloud drivers, aka the web software that Echo has. For HE features, it's pretty simple too. Adjustable actuation 0.1 to 3.4mm, rapid trigger, snap key, dynamic keystroke, toggle key, and mod tab. It's one of the better softwares as well. I wouldn't say Wu-Tang level, but somewhere close to Newfie's level, which is pretty good. You can change up your RGB, remap your keys, or even set up macros. We have 8K polling rate. It's coarse compact. It has cross compatibility with the mainstream magnetic switches like your Jade Pros, so you can change out the switches if you wanted to. So as usual, I tested it out on some CS2, so here's a quick little game montage.
Nice. No bomb. Nice.
Okay. 一个人。One heaven, heaven.
Haven't it?
Two, left side, one.
Fuck.
Overall, I personally really like it. It has basically everything I would want in a Hall Effect keyboard in 2025. Function, visuals, and acoustics. The visuals itself is really beautiful. I really like the purple colorway, it's really striking. The anodization comes off really nicely. The side piece and the bottom piece has that chromatic effect which we don't normally see. It blends in with custom keyboards really well. In terms of function, we have the screen, we have the volume scroll wheel, we have all the HE features that we would want. And in terms of sound, which is my favorite part, it's one of the best. It has that creamy because it uses polycarbonate plate. We don't normally get to see that. So $289, can that be justified? Let me know in the comments down below. Aside from that, I really do love this keyboard. If you're interested, I'll have it linked down below. As usual, like this video and subscribe. I'm pretty sure 80% of you guys are still not subscribed, so it's free. Give me a little Christmas gift. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.